Hello everybody, I'm Angie, and right now I'm going to show you how easy it is to prep our slow cooker beef and broccoli dinner. So I know you probably have your prep station all set up. I have mine here, hopefully you can see everything. Part 1 of prep, it said to get 1.5 pounds of beef flank steak and thinly slice it. If your store doesn't have flank steak, you can also buy skirt steak, they're very similar. I took the easy way out, and my store had already sliced stir-fry steak, so I purchased that. I have 1.5 pounds in my bag. I already have my bag labeled with beef and broccoli slow cooker. I like to take mine and put it in a bucket or a Tupperware or a bowl. This is actually one of our Tastefully Simple old drink buckets. I use it to help the bag stay up when I do my meal prep all the time. So I'm going to open up my bag. Again, inside I have thinly sliced 1.5 pounds of beef flank steak. And so I'm going to add my TS products right into this bag. So the very first one we need is 1/2 cup of honey teriyaki sauce. See that right there? So we're just going to pour right into the bag 1.5 cups of honey teriyaki sauce. I like to put my hand on the outside of the bag and kind of scrape out my measuring cup. That way I'm not wasting any product. Okay, next you're going to take your Vidalia onion dressing and also put 1/2 cup right in that same bag. Again, I'm going to put my hand on the outside of the bag and kind of use it as a spatula to scrape out that measuring cup so we get all the deliciousness right in there and we aren't wasting a drop. Okay. The next step in our prep says to add 1 tablespoon of onion seasoning. When you use our shaker containers, the lid is 2 tablespoons. So instead of using a measuring spoon today, I'm just going to fill half of the cap with onion and dump that right in. I'm going to do the exact same thing with garlic. And we need 1 tablespoon of garlic. Dump it right in there. And that's it. Everything's in the bag that we need. So I'm going to remove it from my bucket. When you use it, when you do your freezer meals, you want to make sure you get all the air out. So I very carefully actually roll mine towards the top. Be careful it doesn't come out the top. And then seal it. And then you want to mix everything together. This incorporates the sauces, the seasonings, all within your steak. So as it's in the freezer, it'll help marinate as well. Once that's all combined, I kind of bounce it back to the very bottom of the bag so it's easier to freeze. I take my hands and kind of just run it down as well. Roll it up again, make sure all that air is out. Then I have a second freezer bag. I'm going to place the meat right in the bottom of that freezer bag. From my freezer, I'm going to grab my frozen broccoli florets. I'm going to put that right in there. Seal it up. Again, get all that air out. And your meal is prepped. When it's time to eat this meal, you're going to pull it from the freezer. You're going to put it in your slow cooker. You're going to cook it on low or high, depending on when you need it. And then when you go to serve it, I know me personally, I like rice cauliflower, so I'll eat mine over rice cauliflower. My husband and my kids enjoy regular white rice, so I'll probably do boil in a bag white rice. My sister is a genius, and on her way home from work, when she prepares meals like this, she drives by the local Chinese store and she gets a large box of white rice to go, $3 or $4, and she does not even have to make the rice. So the choice is up to you on how you prepare your meal. I hope you enjoy your slow cooker beef and broccoli. Have a great day.